Hey everyone, today we're at Big Lots. I can't wait to show you why I love shopping here. Big Lots has a ton of outdoor furniture. I love this swing. It has this cool little pergola up top and it's only $4.99. You cannot beat their prices. Got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. Oh my goodness, I love these chairs. $3.74 and you get 2 of them. These are so cute, you guys. Like, look at the quality of these chairs. These are awesome. Also wanted to show you is Big Lots has some huge umbrellas. This umbrella is $3.99 and it's massive. Like, it would be perfect over your entire patio set. So I've never seen an umbrella this big. It is a 15-foot umbrella. It's only $189. This would be perfect for your patio and so affordable. So you definitely want to do some comparison shopping whenever you're at Big Lots. Their outdoor rugs beat Walmart every time. I love this new pattern here, and this one is only $89. A comparable rug at Walmart is $100. So I'm over in the outdoor candles. Look at this one, you guys. This one looks so Pottery Barn. It's only $10, but I think this would be perfect for my outdoor patio. If you need to grab some affordable planters, they have them at Big Lots. This one is $14, this one's $10. I love both of these. I also like this one right now. It's super in, super trendy. This one's $14 as well and would be perfect on your patio. Pay attention when you're at Big Lots for these big value stickers that they have all throughout the store. That's going to show you the items that are on sale. I love that you can get 2 of these cushion packs for chairs for just $20. I really like this one. So I get asked all the time where I picked up my outdoor tables. These little drum tables are from Big Lots. I love this one right here, so cute. It's got a little wood top. I love these right here. They're so cute. They hold up really well. I still have mine from last year and they look great. Big Lots has a ton of options for summer fun. Like, I just know my kids would love this. I feel like we lose these diving rings every year. I'm gonna pick up a pack for $5. Make sure if you have little kids, you check out the home decor section for kids. They have some really cute stools, desks, tables, chairs, so many cute things. This little desk chair right here is only $40 and would be so cute in a kid's room. Look at these stools, you guys. These are $20. How adorable are these? Like, so cute. My next tip is to definitely stop in the clearance section. They have a whole big wall and so many great options. I found these really cute little accessories for my girls for only $2 each. They are about 75% off. They have home decor and a lot of different things you can find in this section. don't forget the grocery aisles. They also have organic stuff here like Bob's Red Mill. I love this brand at the store, but it can be really pricey. Big Lots carries it and they're really good deals. Okay, you guys, so of course we had to stop in the dog aisle. They have cute dog clothing, so let's find something for Moose. Okay, so they have this one. Ah, look at that one. That one's cute. And then I think there's this one. All right, you guys, let me know in the comments which one should we get for Moose. I don't know, we may have to pick one.
I got a present for you, look. Look, what do you think? Can we put it on you? Let's put it on. Yay! Come here, let's see. Look how cute Moose looks in his little shirt. You look so cute. You got your fun shirt on?
I love buying these nice quality Sterlite containers at Big Lots. These are $5. They have the handles on it. The shoebox ones are $2.50, but the quality is really great. So you guys know I'm obsessed with storage and organization. I love these bins. These are very IKEA vibes to me. They have this like bamboo top. So cute. These would be great stacked up. I also think that these are very like Pottery Barn style. This one was $14. And then look at this one, you guys. This one's $18. I know I would spend more money on this if I bought it at Target or IKEA. So Amazon is one of the only places that I can find my fridge organization until I found them at Big Lots. So these right here, they're $12, a little bit more expensive, but they're that nice plastic acrylic. These as well are super nice. You have the egg container. If you want to spend a little bit less, you can always go with something like this with the pull-out handle. And these are just $1.80, and these would be great in your fridge or pantry. I'm pretty sure I spent about $30 on this same knife set on Amazon. This is only $15, but literally they have so many kitchen supplies. So these cutting board prices definitely beat IKEA. This large bamboo one for $7.50 would be around $20 at IKEA. I'm also loving this $6 marble one. I think I may need to get this one. $6.99 for this with this little wood lid. That is such a good deal. And how adorable is this little water bottle, you guys? You guys, look at these adorable prints that they have. Like, two of these would be so cute together. I love how they put this all together. I'm loving this color scheme. This really pretty candle is $6. You want to check out the front of the store at Big Lots because that's where they have all of their new home decor. Again, I'm loving these candles. They're so cute, but some of these prints are so like neutral, but would look really high end and kind of give you that Pottery Barn feel. So I found a ton of candles at Big Lots. I think I'm gonna grab this one. It's only $6 and it smells really good. I love finding items at Big Lots that look like Pottery Barn or something more high-end. This is screaming Pottery Barn to me, and it's $30 for this little candle lantern. So at the front of the store, they have a ton of cute little seasonal items. I love these little beanbag poofs. They're only $25, but these would be great for a playroom, and they have like a nice base to them. Really cute, and they're pretty full. I hope you had fun shopping with me today. So let me know what your favorite items are at Big Lots. I'd love to know down in the comments. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe. I post 2 DIYs each week. If you missed our last one, I'll link it right here for you, and I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.